95% of Power Query users never edit the M code directly. Learning the basics of M gives you 10x more flexibility for data transformation edge cases the visual editor can't handle. Every Power Query step generates M code automatically. Open the advanced editor to see it. The let-in structure assigns each step to a variable. Understanding this structure demystifies Power Query. Text, trim, number, from, date. To text, list, transform, and table.select rows are the functions you'll use most. I cover syntax, parameters, and when the visual editor can't do what these functions can. Write reusable M functions that accept parameters and apply to any column. Add try otherwise error handling that the visual editor doesn't support. These techniques handle messy real-world data gracefully. I solve 3 data transformation problems that the visual editor cannot handle: conditional column type conversion, dynamic column selection based on names, and recursive folder processing. Each solution requires M code. M language separates Power Query users from Power Query experts. Subscribe for more advanced data transformation tutorials.